Hi guys, my name is Piyush and welcome to Engineer Talks. So today we are going to discuss something about iOS development. I started my journey of iOS development back in 2018 and have worked on iOS for approximately 3 years and a half. During this duration, I encountered a lot of resources like YouTube channels, blogs, newsletters. So I thought of creating a playlist for you guys, which can help all of us in the community. This is the first part in this series, and in this video we'll be talking about the YouTube channels that someone who is working on iOS or who aspires to work on iOS they can follow for upgrading their skills, learning more, getting to know what's new happening in the iOS domain and things like that. This is not something like beginner, intermediate, something any level specific, but this is something like anyone having interest in iOS. This might be useful for them. So let's start with this. Okay, so the first channel that I want to recommend is Sean Allen. So I have actually followed Sean's channel for a good amount of time now, and I have seen like a good number of tutorials on his channel. For example, like Xcode tips and tutorials. I've seen like all the videos probably, and uh, and like is the Swift beginner series I've seen interview tips, and uh, and like many more actually. So the best part about Sean's channel is that he presents multiple number of concepts, and something like very tricky concepts in a very a very beginner friendly way. So this is something I used to like a lot about Sean's channel, and this was the first thing. And the second thing I used to like was that he do something called as Swift News. What this is basically that he like every Monday he used to come and summarize and basically used to summarize all the new things that have happened, or something like new articles that might have come up during the duration of last, let's say, 1 week or 2 week. And so this used to be a good recap kind of thing. I used to like actually follow this very dedicatedly, and I would definitely recommend you guys as well to follow this. So yeah, this is the first channel that I would highly recommend. The second channel that I would recommend is Let's Build That App. So this guy has like tutorials on multiple texts actually. For example, iOS is one where he discusses about Swift UI. There's also content for Android, Kotlin, and like other stuff. I have seen only iOS content on this channel, so I can talk about that. And I have completed actually multiple things, multiple playlists on this. For example, I've completed the Twitter series. I've completed. I have also completed the YouTube series, and I have also done, I think, the Firebase series as well. So I would say that the good thing about these playlists or channel was that this guy builds up an app from end to end, like from scratch, and this used to be a good learning in starting for me. So like learning good coding practices along the way, and what's the so basically he teaches what's a good way to do something. For example, let's say we are making some API call, and also let's say like Alamo Fire is the library that we used to use. So I got introduced to many things from this channel, and I would highly recommend you guys as well to follow this. So this is my second pick. The third pick would be the channel of Paul Hudson. So most of you would be knowing that if someone is basically doing iOS development, then Paul's name is definitely going to be there. So Paul has created a lot of content on iOS domain, and he definitely has a YouTube channel, and there is a blog as well that he runs, and I would share that as well soon. So I used to like multiple things on his channel. For example, like what's new with Swift. This is a good playlist I used to follow, and the Xcode in 20 seconds. This is again a very highly recommended playlist that I would suggest. So I've seen like almost, I think, all the videos in these playlists, and another one is Swift on Sundays. So basically, about if I were to give a brief about this, so Xcode in 20 seconds is like very small videos that Paul used to come up with, where he used to give like very useful suggestions or tips that are present in Xcode, and that might be useful. And it actually sometimes turned out to be very useful for me, which some settings or some things hidden in the Xcode that I was not aware of, and that used to help boost my productivity. So I highly recommend following this playlist. And the other one is Swift on Sundays. So what Paul used to do was that Paul used to basically on every Sunday he makes an app from scratch and end to end. He picks up some topic from the iOS domain and builds up an end-to-end app. For example, like if we see, like he uses Codable for networking, and like he makes a social media app. So so the good thing about this is that we get to learn something new every Sunday, and it's an end-to-end app. And so basically, like we get, it's not just a simple tutorial of just seeing like a very small part of something and just that's it. We actually get to make an end-to-end app. So that's what I used to like a lot. And another thing is, like, definitely, since it's also good coding practice used to be there. So again, a highly recommended channel. Yeah, so this is the playlist that we're discussing. So you can see that most of the videos in this playlist are like less than 20 seconds mostly. So, and this is my different account, but yeah, I've seen almost, I think, all the videos in this. So this is the blog actually which I was mentioning, which Paul runs. So not a blog, sorry, this is a website, hackingwithswift.com. Most of you might have already encountered with this, and would already be knowing, but just to give a good overview of this. So he has very nice playlists of something called as 100 days of Swift and 100 days of Swift UI. I haven't tried these, but I have explored other resources on this website. But if you're looking to get started with Swift UI or basically iOS, then definitely this is a resource that is worth checking out. So definitely I would recommend to go through this. And this is that 100-day Swift thing. Now all these channels that we discussed, there was no particular order, to be honest. This is like I just came up with the order. There's no relative ordering in this. And apart from this, I would definitely like to add some honorable mentions. So these channels which we'll be discussing now, I haven't followed these channels regularly, but yeah, I have heard good words about these channels in the iOS community. So I would highly recommend you guys as well, if it can be fruitful for you guys as well. So I'll just mention these channels as well. So first channel is by Brian Advent. He puts a lot of content on iOS in his channel. The second one is David Tran. I'll put links to all these channels in the Google Doc as well, and post the link of the doc in the description. Third one is by Kilo Loco. And yeah, so he used to have, I remember, like multiple multiple tutorials on different techs and end-to-end apps as well. So yeah, definitely check this out. And the last one I would tell you guys is the Mark's channel. So I followed one playlist definitely on his channel, which is Swift Memory Mastery. So and I personally found it to be very, very helpful. So like my concepts of memory management in Swift and iOS, they got cleared by a very good amount. So I would highly recommend you guys to definitely go through this playlist. This is on Mark's channel, so, and it's for free, so you can try over here. So that's it, guys. That's all for today, and I'll probably post another video on blogs and the newsletters to follow if you want to go for iOS domain. So if you like the video, do hit the bell icon, and also please like the video, and feel free to share any thoughts, any feedback regarding the video. That will help us in improving and making more content in future. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.